savelelwa Jesu savele. Nah, man, I think lokho nje lwebhakane sazoqala ukuba inkinga my finals, bro. Just leave for one final. This is a friendly. This is not even an official cup, bro. Just leave it. Just leave it. Manje kune wena wonke ama finals, bro. Ufika nge-first season. Always uJesu Rebel like he's the guy that's gonna lose ama finals and stuff and nine. But this one, and the thing is that, okay, I almost said to go to all the available cups so we need about besides the CAF. So shh. But yeah, man, congratulations even those guys is Tony PC. Uzothi wabashaya Chiefs in the Sundowns with their B team yabazi sebaqalile already but seniqalile already but congratulations bafethu. Hey, sanibongela. And yeah, man, I just want to take this opportunity also to thank Ikaling Black Label Cup available for giving our youngsters an opportunity. Well, besides like funny stuff, and whatever, etc. But I just want to take this opportunity. Sibonga, we are grateful to have my matches arranged. But is valele.